most founders tend to solve their own problems, right? कि या तो तुम एक बड़ा problem like भाविश अग्रवाल and Ola, which is like, oh shit, मुझे book cab नहीं मिल रही है, I want to like solve that, and I was like, मैं book नहीं पढ़ पा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे किताब छोटी करनी है.
So welcome once again. Give them a context as to who you are and why should they be listening to you, in your opinion?
You should be listening to me because you're here. You have no option. But hi guys, my name is Anuj. So good to meet all of you, and thank you for taking out the time to be here. I run a company, a platform, some call it just a social media page. But there are more things. It's called Terribly Tiny Tales. I don't know if any of you have experienced it, seen it on Instagram, YouTube, somewhere. It's a strange name. When I started it, many people in my family mein the, they confused terribly for terrible. So they were like, "Ye terrible tiny tales, क्यों negative चीजें क्यों शुरू कर रहे हो आप? News is negative enough. Why more?" But it took them a while to realize कि ये छोटी कहानियाँ हैं. These are this platform is a reflection of our times. Sadly, I don't know how many of you used to read but cannot read anymore. Is there any of you like that? There used to be a time when you could finish a book even if reluctantly, खत्म हो जाती थी, अब नहीं हो पाती. And so that was me as well. I used to love reading, and then suddenly I stopped reading, and then I was like, shit, ये तो problem है. And then I realized there are hundreds and thousands of people like me. And so that led to TTT.
So terribly tiny tales से लेके terribly tiny shots और reels के ज़माने में हम आ चुके हैं. Anuj, how has this transformation been for you personally? Now that you see that the attention spans have further gone down.
Yeah, I mean the last recorded attention span of a human being, this was back in 2014, was 8 seconds. तो अभी तो पता नहीं क्या हालत हो चुकी है. I think maybe 3-4 seconds, right? Like वो रात को जब हम सो नहीं पाते हैं और वो, I think it's half a second maybe. The rule with creating short format content is 3 seconds, right? If it does not hook you in 3 seconds, it's not good enough. It's sad, but it's true. As a business, we embrace it, we build around it. Personally, I'm not a big fan.
So talking about nostalgia, let me take you back to your childhood, your growing up days. You have always been a Bombay kid, I'm assuming. Do you think where we are born or raised has certain impacts on how we grow up and who we become?
Yeah, so I've always been a Bombay kid. I was born here in a suburb called Vile Parle and Gujarati family, and never imagined कि एक creative type industry में एक तो पता ही नहीं था कि उसमें पैसे बनते हैं, और मतलब it was like, you know, the notion is कि art तो हम
गुजराती और क्रिएटिव साइड बाय साइड जाते नहीं हैं.
Typically नहीं जाते, और reference भी नहीं था family में. It was like art is something you buy but not like create. तो वो reference नहीं था, and I always grew up without, मतलब I was a very daydreamy type of single child, right? So बहुत summer vacations दोपहर को like just boredom में गुजारे हैं, और book पढ़ के या just वो cricket अकेले, you know, overarm सामने wall है और तुम बस खुद के साथ खेल रहे हो. तो I had a lot of time to myself कि कुछ था नहीं करने को, and so that's what always led my imagination to dream worlds. Of course, I never thought कि ये career बनेगा, क्या बनेगा. You never know, right? Childhood में क्या चीज़ें जो हमें पसंद है वो बड़े होके बहुत ही strong influence लेती है. You can't join the dots when you are in the moment, right? Like we don't know what this conversation will lead to 5 years from now for all of us, but होता है कुछ. And so, yeah, Bombay boy, and you know, because of that, because of my cousins and everything, I just dove into ke chalo NM. What do 90% of kids born in Vile Parla who are Gujarati do? वो लोग नरसी मंजी में कॉमर्स पढ़ते हैं और सीए या एमबीए की तैयारी करते हैं. तो guess what? मैंने भी वही किया.
राइट एंड वहाँ आप बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगों से मिले probably जो आपके दोस्त बने and then they shaped up the ideas that you have had about life, career, learning, everything. Was that the time when you got interested with business in a big way, or अब तभी भी ऐसे passion projects बना रहे थे आप one or the other that you were working on?
Actually, passion projects कोई भी नहीं थे college के time. It was actually everyone was studying to be a chartered accountant or doing MBA, or in Narsi Manji there's a college festival called Umang. तो you were part of organizing that festival, या थोड़े clubs थे, road track club या वो. तो you could choose these three, or many students like Ankit Doshi, who's the founder of Inside IIM, who's also a very dear friend, college. We were in the same college. He would do all three of these, right? So CA भी करेंगे, MBA भी करेंगे, और उमंग के chairperson भी बनेंगे. I was not as ambitious, so I used to pick and I was not even so academically focused, which was a big problem कि यार सब लोग CA बन रहे पर मेरे को तो accountancy समझ में ही नहीं आती, और सब MBA कर रहे पर मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ मुझे नहीं पता. मैंने पूछा, I never asked myself. It's just that everyone was doing it, so I was like, okay, मुझे भी करना है, क्योंकि और कोई path ही नहीं दिख रहा था. So I was academically pursuing very straight-jacketed things कि ये जो options है वही choose करने, because we don't know what else exists. There was no Conversations Cafe then, so parallelly I was a part of road track clubs, Umang. So I think that was my early experience के लोगों के साथ कुछ fun चीज़ करने में मुझे मज़ा आता है. I think that was my first experience of what a startup or a business can look like. Of course, when you do it, you realize कि वो एक अलग प्राणी है, startup. But I think one of the core things के people coming together and building something, I love it. I absolutely love it.
Do you also think, and it might slightly sound personal, do you also think that your pursuit of creating something so personal came from your own place of loneliness while growing up?
I think if you notice, one broad pattern is that most founders tend to solve their own problems, right? कि या तो तुम एक बड़ा problem like Bhavish Agarwal and Ola, which is like, oh shit, मुझे book cab नहीं मिल रही है, I want to like solve that, and I was like मैं book नहीं पढ़ पा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे किताब छोटी करनी है, तो terribly tiny tale बन गई. In some sense you're solving your personal problem. I think the odds of success in that are much higher. मैंने उसके पहले भी 2 startups करे, which were more like startup school होते हैं तो हम एक startup बनाते हैं, right? Because cool थे startups. But
what were those startups about?
So one was a startup called बहुत funny नाम है. It was called Customer. So it was like custom merchandise. तो मैंने उसको customer बना दिया because cool
domain
नाम.
name मिल गया था? Domain name मिल गया था?
Customer.co.in. .com नहीं था. So I was like कि हमारे colleges में like Harvard के T-shirts पहनते हैं, Stanford के पहनते हैं, but कोई नरसी मंजी नहीं पहनता है और कोई दालमिया कॉलेज नहीं पहनता है. I was like ये थोड़ा sad है यार. Like Indian colleges should also feel pride. There was another company run by a friend called Varun Agarwal, who started this company called Alma Mater. He's written this wonderful book also, how I braved Anu auntie to start a $1 million company. तो उसने वो शुरू करी थी, मैंने ये की थी. And we were trying to do कि corporate should have L&T and like cool merch. But I was never really passionate about it to the point कि वो मेरा problem नहीं था. I was like होना चाहिए, but मुझे खुद नहीं पहनना था नरसी मंजी का sweatshirt, to be honest. तो वो कहीं अटक गया. वो एक था. दूसरा था जो बहुत fun था, जो बहुत मजा आया, but heartbreaking that we couldn't build it. It was do you guys know of this brand called Chumbak? एक चुंबक करके there's travel cups and magnets and t-shirts, and now they do a lot, right? Like home furnish. तो उन्होंने basically क्या करा है, cool designs को pasted it on different products. There was another company called Ink Fruit and ऐसे काफी सारे थे.
और बहुत महंगा बना दिया normal से product.
हाँ, normal के थोड़े अच्छे डिजाइन डाल के 100 रुपए की चीज को 800 में बेच दी. तो आई स्टार्टेड अ कंपनी कॉल बेचैन नगरी. तो रिएक्शन ऐसा ही था मेरे कजन्स का भी कि ओ अनुज तू पॉर्न साइट तूने पॉर्न साइट शुरू कर दी. You are pursuing your childhood passions. I'm like, no, it's not a porn site. But हाँ, Bechen Nagari was this place where creators, creative people, so animators, illustrators could submit their designs, और उनके designs हम अलग-अलग products पे डालते. तो हमने notebooks बनाए, t-shirts बनाए, and we used to set up stalls in colleges. So NID में, IIM में, हर जगह पे. That was great fun because I was like 21, 22, and so you don't care about, you want people to think क्या cool चीज़ बना रहे हो, whether it's making money or not, you don't care, whether it's even a smart business idea, you don't care, you just want validation. It was like Instagram followers without the digital bit. It was just like people should say, oh wow, this is awesome. तो वो करा, but I realized retail is a very, very hard business to build without enough capital, and I didn't know enough about the business side of things. I just knew कि मजा आता है design और बेचने में. But yeah, so that didn't unfortunately scale. It did grow to 12 cities and we did make some amount of money, but it didn't become that big. Like you all don't know about it, but huh.
Again, maybe it was not that personal to you.
Yeah, possibly it was not again solving a problem. It was just like, that's the thing. एक होता है startup जो cool होता है कि हमें कोई एक idea आता है. And so idea based startups are always hard क्योंकि ideas होते हैं ना कि हमें fit बनना है और वो एक आज का idea है और कल जाके हम भूल जाते हैं. तो it's a little bit like that. Like you want it today, but you don't want it 3 years from today. Problems are more personal. They stay for longer. कि नहीं यार ये तो मुझे इरिटेट करता है कि मैं बुक नहीं पढ़ पा रहा हूँ, एंड इट स्टिल इरिटेट्स मी इन सम वेज. सो दोज आर, आई कैन स्टे फॉर 10 years डूइंग दिस बिजनेस बिकॉज ऑफ दैट.